Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a picture to a TikTok comment of other TikTok users. So first you need to open up your TikTok and then click on the comment section, and here you will see a bunch of different comments. So if you want to reply to this comment, hold this comment and then click on reply with video. And from here you need to choose a picture that you want to upload by clicking on this upload button right next to recording, and from here you need to go to photos and then select the photo that you want to reply with, and here you can see the comment that you just replied to. Then you can see the picture as well. You can drag around the comment as well, and after that you need to click on next, and this is how you can add a picture to a TikTok comment. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.